Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the image match template, which is a notebook file, to create image matching activities for your interactive whiteboard. This is a great interactive activity which you can download here. And when you download the file, it'll look something like this. Okay, as with most of these templates, there's 3 slides. The first one is just a place to insert your heading. So you click, I think, 5 or 6 times to insert your heading, and then click a whole bunch of times and insert your introductory or instructional text. Then slide number 2 is your template slide. That's where you will create the activity. And slide number 3 is an example that I've created earlier. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so when you click on slide 3, you'll see these different these different apparatus and some words down the bottom. So basically you've just got to drag the word into the correct place, and we'll say conical flask goes here. Okay, measuring, see if you click on it, measuring cylinder will appear there. The word's actually too long, but it'll scroll through it, and we'll pop that up there. And then we might get a couple wrong, so I might say that's a beaker and that's a round flask, and I might leave the watch glass out completely, and then we'll check it. Okay, and of course it's interactive. It tells you, you got these ones right up the top, these ones wrong, so let's drag this down and fix it up. And you can see the tick appears when I put the beaker in the correct place, and same with the others. Okay, alright, so how do you actually make this yourself? Well, let's click on slide 2, and the first thing you need to do is click on the edit button in the top left hand corner of this slide. Okay, down the bottom you can choose the number of images. Okay, ranges from 2 to 5, and so I'll click on 5 just like the last one, and you can see in the boxes it says drag image here. Now the best way to do this is to go up to the top right hand corner of your window and restore the window to a smaller size. Okay, and then open a folder with your images in it. So to do this activity you need some images, and it's best to have them ready in one folder on your computer. I'll have a look at my images, they're over here. Okay, and okay, I'll just drag them across one at a time. I'll drag the beaker over the first box, and you'll see when it is over the first box, the box turns yellow. That means you're ready to let go, and the beaker will appear in that box. Okay, of course, whoops, a daisy. Of course, I'll just type in, it says type text here, I'll just type in beaker. Okay, and then I'll look for my next image, okay, which is the conical flask, and again once I drag it over the box it turns yellow. Okay, I'll do the same with measuring cylinder. Okay, and I'll pause while I do the other 2 images. Okay, I've got all the images here now, and I just need to insert the text. So I'll say that's a conical flask, and you just do the same for each of your pictures. Okay, whatever subject, you just name the picture, and okay, I think I'll pause it while I finish that off too. Okay, so I've finished typing those in. Now I'm going to maximize the window again. Okay, and that's finished. It's ready to go. You can choose whether you want a solve button or not. Okay, I'll click OK, so it's finished, and it does include a solve button. Okay, and if you press that, computer gives you the answers. Okay, if you choose not to have the solve button, it simply won't appear there. Okay, that's about it. As with a lot of the other templates, the students can actually edit this themselves, and they can go in and put any old word here next to the picture. So if you don't want them to have that capacity, simply type in a password that you remember and click the box next to password. And when you do that, the kids won't be able to edit it unless they actually know the password. Okay, that's about it. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.